Introducing the ID500 500 from Edwards High Vacuum International, a system which uses vacuum metal deposition to develop usable fingerprints from difficult evidence or marginal prints. A system that delivers up to 70% more marks than traditional methods, and that has proven to detect prints that popular methods such as vacuum superglue cannot.
VMD works on a wide range of materials. It's great on plastics, it works on glass, paper, some leathers, even nylon. What makes VMD cost effective is the fact that it can get that one print that other techniques might not get. That means you don't have to have police out searching for more evidence or canvassing a neighborhood. You get that print, you get the criminal.
Delivering more convictions for law enforcement personnel and safer communities for everyone. The ID500 system is as easy to use as it is effective. Training takes only a few hours. Processing evidence takes only a matter of minutes. In fact, typical processing time may be as short as 15 minutes. Fast results means quicker response for law enforcement and faster apprehension of criminals. And it's cost-effective too. In fact, by creating conclusive evidence through fingerprints, it can save hundreds of hours of manpower, putting police back into the community for crime prevention.
The case itself involved actually a series of killings where we had 45 prostitutes that had been murdered over a several-year period in San Diego County. It was not believed that this was the work of one person, but they remained all unsolved. The one particular case I was assigned to work was a case where a lady had been raped, strangled. She had 2 large trash bags taped to her body, and she was found in a dumpster. There was a fingerprint that was developed from the outside of that dumpster that I was able to subsequently identify through the automated fingerprint identification system. But circumstances surrounding the case would have given him legitimate access to the dumpster. So we needed to link him forensically to the trash bags that were taped to the body. That's when we determined that vacuum metal deposition was really the only method for developing prints that old on plastic. With the identification of the prints that I was able to develop using vacuum metal deposition technology, a warrant was able to be issued for the suspect. And so that was really the nail in the coffin that we needed to go from a case that basically had a lot of circumstantial evidence to hard forensic evidence, and that was, to me, what was able to convict him and the reason he got the death penalty.
VMD uses 2 kinds of metal, zinc and gold, which are evaporated in very small quantities in a vacuum chamber. The process is simple. The evidence is placed in the chamber. The system is brought to a vacuum, and the gold is heated in order to evaporate it. The gold condenses onto the evidence material and is absorbed into the fingerprint deposit. Then the zinc is heated and the steps are repeated. Since zinc tends to condense only on other metal surfaces, it accumulates where the gold has not been absorbed into the print, creating a fingerprint image with more detail and more usable points than other methods. The intelligent, automated system design handles most functions with the push of a single button, creating the best environment for delivering useful evidence in every situation. The amount of gold and zinc needed to create a usable sample is minuscule, but the results on even difficult materials such as plastic bags and paper, or on evidence which is several years old, are overwhelming. That's why vacuum metal deposition systems have been used throughout Europe for years. Rising crime is a major concern of many citizens today, not only in urban areas, but in small towns as well. By delivering conclusive evidence in more situations than any other fingerprint method, the Identicode system helps put that fear away.